In this video, I will show how to improve video quality in VLC media player. Open VLC media player. Then here click on Tools, Preferences. Select here All. Expand Audio Resampler. Called Speed X Resampler. Resampler quality make it 10. Click on SRC Resampler. Select in this list Sync function Best Quality. Now scroll down and click on Filters. Check this box. Grade Fun Video Filter. Now expand Filters. Click on SW Scan. Scaling mode. Select here. Or then save it. So this way you can improve video quality in VLC media player. Thanks for watching.